Alright, hey guys, today I got this UGREEN, it's an adapter for SSDs and hard drives from 3.5 inches and stuff like that. And I'm pretty sure you can also do 2.5-inch hard drives as well, and basically you just put them in there and then you can just connect it to any computer through a USB and use it as a portable hard drive or SSD. So, but it also has to be connected to the power in order for it to work. So, yeah, seems simple enough. It wasn't that expensive. It was like $30 on Amazon.ca. Yeah. So over here it just says open. Oh God, that's very blurry. I apologize for my voice. I'm a little bit sick today. All right. So this is the back. Okay, so now we're just gonna get this opened. Okay, there's a little plastic wrap off. So let me lower the camera down a little bit. So after you take off the cover, this is what comes up. A little box onto the side. This seems to be the power adapter. Oh, it's definitely not focusing. There you go. Very simple. And I'm sure this is where you connect it to the box through this, or this box. I'm not sure what to call this, but and this goes to the computer, I think. So okay, let's put that away. There seems to be a couple of cards. Oh yeah, this just teaches you, I'm assuming, on how to do this. All right, it's pretty big. Oof. All right, I hope you won't need that. And then there's a thank you card. Right. So now for the box. The box is very light. I'd be surprised if this is even a half a pound. It's very light. So just gonna rip off the plastic covering like that. All right. There seems to be some sort of I don't know what to call this, to protect the gloss or something like that. But okay. It also seems to be kind of caught in between those sections. So let's try taking this off. All right, there you go. We can just slide it off like that. There's the place. And there it is right there. All right, I actually have a hard drive right here. It's about a terabyte. I think it's like 919 gigabytes or something like that. But let's see if it fits. Okay. Seems like we just place it down. Then we just push it there. Or not. I'll get back to you guys in a quick bit. Just gonna figure out what to do. Alright, see you. Alright guys, I just tried sliding it back in and it seemed to work. So after that, we just put on the cover, I believe. Let's see if it's through the bottom. It is. Alright. There you go. It's a very clean look. Alright, so this is where the cables go. Let's take off this twist tie. Give me a sec. Never mind. I just need to connect this end to this part right here. And the power port, or the power adapter just goes into this hole right here. And then from there you can just connect this to your computer and everything should work. Alright, so that's going to be it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. I apologize for my voice again. I don't know what's wrong with it. So bye.